Hey guys, check this out. This is what a 2025 aircraft hangar door looks like. Sleek, modern, and seriously good looking. Now let's rewind to 2020. Back then, customers worried that hangar doors would be a nightmare to install. But not this one. Thanks to its modular design, installation is fast, smooth, and way easier than you'd expect. No complicated steps, no special skills needed. And once it's up, it's rock solid, reliable, strong, and built to last. Curious how it works in real life? Stick around and see for yourself.